In the near future, automation will find its way into ever more areas of our life. Algorithms will steer vehicles, control power systems, and household appliances. Manufacturing is no exception. Already today, robots and machines position workpieces precisely for the next processing step, join components together, or even carry out specific processing steps. A fully automated manufacturing industry, or Industry 4.0, has been looming on the horizon for some time now. At the NCCR Automation, researchers are developing control strategies that prepare manufacturing robots for the future.
When you hear about robots, the common assumption is that they can only do one repetitive task. And we aim to change that by equipping them with various types of sensors, and this enables the use of intelligent predictive control algorithms. This will allow then adaptation during machining and achieving better results. And this project is done in collaboration with industrial partners.
These concepts can also be applied to other types of manufacturing processes.
So, selective laser melting is a 3D printing process where we use a laser to melt metal powder into a solid structure shape. In the common practice, the parameters that are actually affecting the final quality of the part, such as the laser's power or moving speed, are optimized and fixed in advance. However, some conditions through the printing process are changing, such as the temperature buildup caused by the laser. And these changes are actually causing some defective parts in the end. In our system, we have multiple sensors that are sensing the process. So we are actually acquiring tons of data bit by bit through the process. And it is run through our algorithm to identify the defects while they're happening and correcting them on the fly. With our project, we are decreasing the number of defective parts. We are also enabling even ever higher, complexer parts to be manufactured this way, and also different and new materials to be processed.
So we hope to really increase the sustainability of manufacturing processes. This will reduce waste, it will reduce the material, the energy use during manufacturing. The NCCR provides the ideal interdisciplinary environment for my research, and collaborations with top groups in computer science, in automation, and control. It really makes it possible with its support to do this research.